Unraveling the Mystery, Watching and Waiting. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, specifically, watching and waiting. This phrase is packed with meaning and is commonly used in both everyday conversations and literary contexts. Let's explore what it truly means and how you can use it to enhance your English communication skills. At its core, watching and waiting is a phrase that combines two actions: watching, which means to observe something carefully or to look at something for a period of time, especially something that is changing or moving, and waiting, which implies staying in place in expectation of something. When put together, this phrase suggests a state of alertness and anticipation. It's about being observant and patient, often implying that the person is looking forward to something that is expected to happen. This phrase can be used in various contexts, each bringing its unique shade of meaning. Literary usage. In literature, watching and waiting often adds a layer of suspense or anticipation. It can describe a character's mindset when they are on the verge of a significant change or event. Everyday conversations. In daily use, it can refer to situations where someone is eagerly anticipating an outcome or event. For example, I'm just watching and waiting to see if the weather clears up for our picnic. Professional contexts. In a work setting, it might be used to describe a period of observation and patience before making a decision. We're watching and waiting to see how the market reacts before we launch the new product. To help you grasp how to use watching and waiting in real-life situations, here are a few examples. 1. After submitting her job application, she was watching and waiting for a response from the employer. 2. The entire world was watching and waiting as the election results were about to be announced. 3. In the hospital, the family was watching and waiting for any news from the doctor about their grandfather's surgery. Watching and waiting is a powerful phrase that captures a unique state of anticipation and vigilance. Whether you're crafting a story, engaging in conversation, or analyzing situations, understanding and using this phrase can add depth to your communication. We hope this video has illuminated the nuances of watching and waiting for you. Happy learning, and remember, the beauty of language lies in its ability to express the intricate tapestry of human experience. See you in our next video.